Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block a user on the breaking news application so that you won't see the posts of that particular person anymore while you are using the application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should go to that article where you have found that particular person that you would like to block or ban. So click on that relevant person, and as you can see in the middle of the screen you have three options. You can either add it to your friends, follow him or her, or block his or her account. As you can see, if you click on this block icon or option, you are going to block the person, and you can unblock it anytime by simply going to his or her page and then clicking on the unblock button. So then you will update his or her status from your perspective. So this particular user won't see that you have blocked him or her. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.